This planet seems absolutely perfect, so why does it make scientists so uneasy? It orbits a star almost identical to our Sun, bathed in just the right amount of sunlight with comfortable temperatures. It might even have precious liquid water. You could call it the ultimate super-Earth, exactly what we've been dreaming of. But the more scientists studied it, the weirder things got. It's bigger than most rocky planets, but not huge like a gas giant. It sits right in the habitable zone, but doesn't have a moon like Earth does. Every little detail feels carefully planned. Honestly, the numbers make it look even more perfect than Earth. This planet is Kepler-22b, a mysterious world that really shouldn't exist. Back in 2009, NASA launched the Kepler Space Telescope. Its mission was to stare at 150,000 stars in the Milky Way, hunting for Earth-like planets. It used the transit method. When a planet passes in front of its star, it blocks a tiny bit of light, making the star dim just a little. Sounds simple, right? But in reality, it's super tough. These stars are crazy far, light-years away. Even the closest one, Proxima Centauri, is 4.25 light-years from us. And the Milky Way is 100,000 light-years across. So spotting planets this way is seriously hard. But scientists didn't give up, and against all odds, they found Kepler-22b. Kepler-22b is located about 600 light-years away from us, in the constellation Cygnus. Its host star, Kepler-22, is a yellow dwarf super-similar to our Sun, just about 25% less bright. Kepler-22b orbits 15% closer to its star than Earth does to the Sun. In our solar system, that would put it somewhere between Venus and Earth. But since its Sun is dimmer, the climate there could actually be a lot like Earth's. If it has an atmosphere similar to ours, the average surface temperature could be around 22 degrees Celsius, basically perfect spring weather. That means there might be rivers, lakes, even oceans. Kepler-22b's diameter is 2.4 times Earth's, right in between a rocky planet and a gas giant. It doesn't fully act like a rocky planet, but it's not a typical gas giant, either. Scientists have a few ideas about what's going on. First, it might be a supersized rocky planet with a thicker core, and enough gravity to hold onto a big atmosphere. But a huge rocky core usually means a heavy atmosphere, with crazy high pressure and heat. Second, it could be a water world, completely covered by a global ocean. Without continents, the climate might be super still, and life might never get past the basic stages. Third, maybe it's a stripped-down gas planet that formed farther out, and got pulled into its current orbit by some unknown force. Everything about Kepler-22b is freakishly precise. Its orbit is almost perfectly circular, right in the sweet spot of the habitable zone. Its star is stable in the main sequence phase. Even its size is exactly at the boundary between rocky and gaseous planets. And what's even creepier, it has no moons. Zero. If Earth had no moon, our tides would be 70% weaker, and geology and evolution would turn out totally different. All this has left scientists pretty stuck. They double-checked the instruments, analyzed the light spectra, ruled out all kinds of interference, but in the end, they confirmed it. Kepler-22b is real. This planet that shouldn't exist is making us question what we know about the universe. Is it a natural miracle? Or something built by an advanced civilization? Maybe when we look at Kepler-22b, we are not just looking at an exoplanet, we are looking at a mirror. A deep question about ourselves. In this vast, endless universe, are we just designed? Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends and family. Thanks a bunch.